front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Now hold it and wait for all of those options to appear on the right. When they do, click on this icon at the top and select the second app you wanna use. Like for example Notes. Now enjoy using both at once. If you want to go back from this view, you can either go back into the background and swipe them like you would any other app. You can hold this sign in the middle and drag one app all the way to the right or to the left. Then tap on Home button. Or the third option, which most people miss. You can click on those three dots at the top of any app. This way, you can change places of your apps in split screen by clicking on one of those split screen ones. You can change any app by clicking on this plus icon here. Into a floating window, you can close it by holding this sign and swiping it up. You can transfer this app into a pop-up by tapping on this icon here. And then it will overlay the other one. You can go back to split screen by clicking the same three dots and selecting split screen view icon. You can click on this X to close one of your apps and pick another one in its place. Or you can click on this icon on the left and use chosen app in full screen view right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!